Have you ever wondered if you can naturally enhance your breast size without surgery? Many people desire fuller breasts and look for simple, non-invasive ways to achieve their goals. There are claims about foods, exercises, massage oils, and supplements that can help, but it's essential to understand what actually works. In this video, we'll explore easy and straightforward natural approaches to breast enhancement, so you can make informed decisions about your journey to achieving the size you desire. If you're not considering breast enhancement surgery, you might be curious if there are any natural ways to alter your breast size. To be honest, there are very limited natural methods that can significantly increase the size of your breasts or chest tissues. However, exercising can have an impact on how your chest looks. The muscles beneath your breast tissues, called pectoral muscles, can be targeted through strength training exercises. This can lead to changes in the size, strength, density, and tone of your chest tissue, resulting in an overall improvement appearance. If you're not considering breast enhancement surgery, there are some foods and natural remedies that people believe can help increase breast size. Soy products like soy milk and soybeans contain isoflavones that imitate estrogen, which may aid in breast tissue growth. Fennel seeds are rich in phytoestrogens and have been traditionally used to promote breast health and milk secretion. Carrots, beetroots, and beet greens have high levels of estrogen and other beneficial compounds. Nuts like walnuts, cashews, peanuts, and pistachios contain phytoestrogens that might support breast growth. Seafood such as prawns, oysters, and shellfish contains manganese, which may contribute to breast size increase. Olive oil can be used to massage breasts as it's rich in vitamin E and helps keep them moisturized and firm. To enhance the appearance of your breasts without surgery, exercise can be a great option. Doing specific exercises can target the pectoral muscles that lie beneath your breast tissues. Strengthening these muscles can lead to improvements in chest tissue size, density, strength, and tone. Simple strength training exercises like chest presses, push-ups, and dumbbell flies can help in achieving these results. Remember, while exercise won't directly increase breast size, it can make your breasts look firmer and more lifted. Incorporating these exercises into your routine a few times a week can be a natural way to improve the overall appearance of your chest area. Always consult with a fitness professional before starting any new exercise program. Using massage oil for bigger breasts is a popular idea, but it's essential to understand that there is limited scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness. Some people believe that massaging the breasts with certain oils can promote growth by improving blood circulation and stimulating the tissues. Common oils used for this purpose include olive oil and fenugreek oil, known for their potential phytoestrogen content. While these massages can provide relaxation and moisturization, their actual impact on breast size is uncertain. If you're considering this approach, remember that results may vary, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new methods for breast enhancement. Supplements claiming to increase breast size are available, but their effectiveness is not well supported by scientific evidence. These products often contain herbs or compounds believed to mimic estrogen's effects on breast tissue. Individual responses may vary, and potential risks or side effects exist. Consult with a healthcare professional before trying any breast enhancement supplements to make informed decisions about your options. The safest and most reliable approaches to breast enlargement are those guided and monitored by medical experts. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video useful.